Can't believe it's been 2 weeks and how much we've done. Let me show you everything that's happening so far. So we've gotten a lot of these walls taken care of. We've had 3 contractors come out and give us an estimate on doing our load bearing wall here. So carpets are off, baseboards are off, all this drywall's off. We started trying to do a little scraping on the popcorn, but I think we're going to have somebody else do that. We've had a couple contractors give us some ideas, so we're looking at doing something with that other than us having to scrape that in 1,800 square feet. So continuing here, we finally decided we're just going to close off this wall and put another window here, a smaller window compared to that window, so we'll have a nice continuous bathroom, or excuse me, a kitchen here. We still have a little bit of drywall to come down, but we're saving this for my daughter. She's coming to visit next week, and she wants to get rid of some drywall and get some frustrations out. So we got that wall, this wall, and that wall that she's going to be knocking out.
It's waiting for you, Kelly.
Garage, we still got a lot of trash. We're going out. Now, Lakeland, the city of Lakeland's been amazing. We're going to show you the piles of debris that we have out there for all the landscaping we're doing. But all they said, put it outside and they'll take care of it. So drywall all gone, the wet bar is gone, the hot water heater that had an aneurysm on it is gone. Plumbers come in on Wednesday. We're going to be taking care of all our plumbing and doing the PEX system and get rid of this CPVC stuff that is like brittle. It's already broken a couple times. We actually keep the water off. We had a company come in and do all the tile, thin set tile removed, 800 square feet. It took 5 guys 6 hours to do it, hauled it away, cleaned it up, vacuumed it. I am so glad we didn't do this one. All the door casements are out. All the baseboards are out. Bathroom's ready to go for the plumber. Plumber's coming in to do. This is how they retrofitted it. They retrofitted it with CPVC, which is normal. When you have drywall, they got to send that up through the attic. If you notice up here, there's piping that goes everywhere. Well, this stuff is so brittle. We're changing it and we're making it all in the PEX system. Spare bathroom, or the guest bathroom, and this is the master bathroom. Let me take you right through the wall. There won't be no curbs here, just a glass door, nice shower pan, all built up in there. Again, master bedroom. All the door casements are out. All the baseboards are out. Carpets are out. Other bedroom, 3 bedrooms, we don't have to change any drywall. We are going to be redoing the closets. We're going to be painting a lot of this soon and getting it ready before we put all the floors in. So there's no drywall in the bedrooms that have to be changed. Electric, we're going to do a little bit of electric, but no biggie. Other bedroom, pretty much the same. Baseboards, casement windows, or casements around the doors, everything's gone. That's pretty much for the inside. I'll let Mary show you the outside, everything we've done out there.
So this is our backyard. But before I show you that, I want to just say, you can buy a house anywhere, but our neighborhood has been just so welcoming. Cindy on the back of us yesterday came over, shovel and rake in hand, started helping us over here, has welcomed us since even before day one when we were even looking at the house. Anita's offering to make us coffee. Steve and Angie invited us to dinner tonight. Everybody down at the cul-de-sac has been very welcoming. We've got a new baby in the neighborhood, and her big sister, Ruthie, is just adorable. Just had so much fun with her, just meeting her the other day.
Babies, it's all about the babies for Mary.
It is. So, just in a short amount of time, we feel very blessed and welcomed in this neighborhood. So thank you, Hollandwood. Okay, so all this shrubbery came out. Well, there's still some roots, but that's our loquat tree, also known as a Chinese plum. This is what Cindy helped me with yesterday. It doesn't look like much, but boy, oh boy, it was a job. just to make that little dent in there. Juan took down, what was that tree, honey?
I don't remember.
It's that, it has the yellow flowers on it. Anyhow, that came down yesterday from in here somewhere. I can't even tell.
So where is all this shrubbery now?
It is in Mount Brushmore. We have 2 Mount Brushmores. There's one Mount Brushmore. Got this all cleaned out too. There was another tree in there. I don't even know what it was, but we have some beautiful magnolia trees. And I'm sure once they get some sunlight and are not strangled by various trees and vines, they're going to be beautiful. Here's another thing that's just, you can't buy, is these beautiful mature trees. How nice is
Oak
that?
tree.
So nice. 2 more beautiful magnolia trees and very evil bougainvillea that was in here. That was a chore. I mean, literally. Well, there's still bougainvillea up at the top of that magnolia tree. You can see it there. That was an adventure getting all that out, and I don't know what else those other things were. These are some special Japanese something. I don't know. They were really pretty. We thought they were gardenias. So we're hoping these will come back pretty. The neighbors said that they were very pretty bushes when they were taken care of. So we'll see if those come back. Norfolk pine came down also. Bird of paradise, monstrosity. Boy, that was a bear too. These things have not been trimmed in Lord knows how long. And these, are those elephant ears, honey?
Elephant ears, philodendrons. Woo! The
Whatever
roots
they
on
are,
these
but
things are
those roots
crazy. We
are,
still got to work on a lot of
yeah, it
this.
looks like a scary movie in there, doesn't it?
The root system in this stuff is just crazy.
So that's where we are. What's today? It's 17th. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patty's Day. So that's the update for right now. I hope to provide some more info and content for you guys real soon. Obviously, all this work has been a lot of work, and it's been hard to tape and edit and do all that while we're doing it. So today is a day we're taking a break. It's Friday. We're taking a break. We got to get our driver's license taken care of.
Look at some
Go
windows.
to hopefully order a couple windows and to go to a couple stores and house stuff. So things are on track, and we look forward to passing on and sharing some of this information and our process with you. Have a great one.
Bye.
Bye.